Sorry.
You want to try that one? Try that one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, I meant to turn on my charging signal.
You hit
Like
the
the
gas.
one in between them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice, you're doing this right. No, this is great. That is good. You can tell you're not going to hit that car. Straight it out, right on, man. Yeah.
Besides that and gas. I hit the gas button.
That was good. So what I look for in that is that you're swinging out far enough to the left. You're getting
Am I far enough?
Yep. Yeah, you're getting used to the turning radius on this vehicle. Every car's gonna be a little
I'm
different.
used to this car now, not my mom's.
You know. Okay, awesome. Let's we'll head out that way. So
So this way, and I turn my wheels this way.
you'll be turning that way to the left.
And I turn on my left signal or my right?
You turn your left one.
Yeah.
Because the back end of your car is going to the left, so and you're going to be steering to the left, but not right away
Yeah,
though.
yeah.
You want to come out in a straight line first. Get that front bumper to the back bumper before you turn it. Yep. Okay, let's head her out. We're gonna make a left at the end of the laneway there by the big mountain of snow. Look at the size of that, eh?
Is there no stop?
No, so you treat it like a yield. And we'll turn left. Good judgment. At the traffic lights, we'll turn right onto Berrytown.